How to use text-to-speech in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by coming up to text, click into add default text, double click into this text box and paste the text that you want it to say. Next, with this still selected, click into the text-to-speech tab. This will load in all of the different voices that you can use for your project. You have 3 options to browse through these. You can search for a particular voice you're going for, you can choose a tag, or you can manually search and click on any of these voices to preview. So let's look at this one, for example.
You should subscribe to Creator Fix.
On each voice, you're going to have this settings tab here. On some voices, you can configure the tonality. There'll be an additional drop down here where you can change it through like anger, joyfulness, excitement, sad, etc. And you can also increase or decrease the speed to make it say the words faster or slower. Once you're happy with the voice that you've selected, choose Generate Speech and give CapCut a moment to generate the speech. And with this speech generated, you can now click and delete this text layer and play through your audio.
You should subscribe to Creator Fix.
And that's all there is to it.